Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about NEET questions, okay, from the lesson of structure of atom. So this is part 25th series. So in that series we are going to see the NEET questions, okay. So okay, before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, so let's go to the first question now. The question is, when a proton of frequency 3.0 into 10 power 15 second minus 1 was allowed to hit a metal, okay, surface, then and the electron is having a 1.988 into 10 power minus 19 joule kinetic energy. So that was emitted. So calculate the threshold frequency of this metal. So we have to find out the frequency here. So they have given the frequency of proton when it's allowed to hit the metal, that is 3.0 into 10 power 15 second minus 1, and also the kinetic energy they have given here, that is was emitted, that is 1.988 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Okay, so we have to find out the answer from this four option. So what is the equation we have to use here? You know what is the equation? The kinetic energy, correct? So what is the kinetic energy equation? You will know. So see here the proton is hit the metal surface, that means h nu, no, we know the equation. What is that? Kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. What is the h nu here? Here the striking of photon has the energy that is equal to h nu here. If the photon is hit the metal, no, that is called h nu here, and minus h nu naught is, that is minimum energy is needed to require to eject an electron. So that is h nu naught. Okay. So then the h nu minus h nu naught is transferred as a kinetic energy. Okay. So striking of photon, the metal surface, they require the energy that is equal to h nu, and also minus the minimum energy required to eject the electron, that is h nu naught. So then the h nu minus h nu naught is transferred as a kinetic energy. It is transferred like as a kinetic energy. So that's why we have mentioned here Ke, that is kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. So belong to the relation of this question. So we have using this equation. Got it? So that only we are using this equation. Now we have to find out the, what is that, nu frequency here, nu naught, right? So for that h nu naught should come here. So you know that how to do the mathematical expression for that. H nu minus, what is that, kinetic energy here, it will come. So nu naught you have to find out. So h nu minus kinetic energy divided by h. Okay, h here it will come, no, while calculating the nu naught. Okay, then what is that h? H is the Planck constant, no? What is the constant value for the Planck constant? That is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into, what is the value they have given for the frequency here, nu? That is the proton of the frequency, that is 3.0 into 10 power 15 second minus 1 allowed to hit the metal, no, right? So that you have to substitute a value here, 3 into 10 power 15. Then you have to write the kinetic energy here. What the kinetic energy was emitted, in the equation they have mentioned here, no, the kinetic energy was emitted. Okay, so that value you have to apply here, 1.988 into 10 power minus 13 divided by Planck constant value. Then you got the value of, while multiplying 3 into 6.626, you got the value of 19.878 into 10 power minus 19 here, because here the minus 34 is there, here 15 is here. So you will get the value of 10 power minus 19 totally, fine. So minus again here remaining 1.988 into 10 power minus 19 is there. Okay, if you subtract the value, you got the value of 17.89 into 10 power minus 19. Okay, divided by, what is the value, 6.626 into 10 power 34. Okay, so if you divide this calculation, what you will get, V naught value is, that means nu naught value is 2.699 into 10 power 15 second minus 1, because 10 power minus 34 it will go up, so 10 power 34 will come. So while subtracting this value, what you will get, 10 power 15 second minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer for the particular question. So 2.699. Okay, see here. So which is the correct option? 2.699 into 10 power 15 second minus 1 is the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, so what about the second question? Yeah, microscope using a suitable photons, okay, is employed to locate an electron in an atom within a distance of 0.2 Armstrong. What is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of its velocity? The uncertainty means, you know what is that we have studied in 11th, that is Heisenberg uncertainty principle, no? Using the mathematical expression you can able to write the equation. Before that, what is that uncertainty principle? That is impossible to determine, that is simultaneously both the position and momentum. Impossible to determine the position also and the momentum also, whatever the particles or electron exactly and accurately we can't able to determine simultaneously the position and momentum. Okay, it may get error. Okay, that is called uncertainty principle, right? So that we have studied. What is the equation? You know that, no? Del x into, what is the del x into m into del v is equal to h divided by 4 pi m. Okay, so you got the equation, mathematical expression of this. Okay, what does mean by del x here? Del x is the uncertainty in a position of the particle or electron. Okay, what about del px? It's uncertainty in the momentum of the particle. This means velocity, this is the mass of the electron. Okay, so these are the things. So using the values they have given in the equation, what they have given, del x is equal to, they have given here uncertainty position of the electron is 0.2 Armstrong they have given here. You have to convert the Armstrong unit to meter. So 0.2 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So you have to find out what here the frequency, velocity, no, measurement of its velocity we have to find out. So for that, del v you have to find out. So we don't know about del v. Mass of the electron is, we know that m, we know that is a constant value for the electron, that is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Correct? This is the constant value, no? So del x into m into del v is equal to h divided by 4 pi. Okay, this is the constant equation, mathematical expression for the uncertainty principle. Okay, so what is that? You should know the, find out the del v, right? So for that, del v is equal to h divided by 4 pi. So here m will come down and here what is that? Del x will come here, no? Correct. So what the equation you will get? Del v is equal to h divided by 4 pi into del x and m. Here it will come. Okay, got it. So according to this equation, you should substitute a value here 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 and here 4 into, what is the pi value, you know what is that constant value, 3.14. okay, into, that is 0.2 is the del x value, because del x will come down here. So del x value is 0.2 into 10 power minus 10 and here the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. Okay, so finally you got the answer of, what is that, 6.626 into 34, that is 10 power 34 divided by 22.85 minus 10 power minus 41. Okay, so you will get the answer of 2.899 into 10 power 6 ms, okay, minus 1. So this is a final answer for this question. Okay, what is the correct option here? 2.899 into 10 power 6 ms minus 1. So second option is the correct answer for this question, no? Correct. So this is the question. Okay. Okay students, I think you have understood all the questions and answer. Okay, we will see in the next video. Before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, so thank you.